Hello, welcome to my unboxing and first impression of the 70mai A800 dashcam. I backed this on Indiegogo and it arrived recently. I opted for the package, which comes with the in-car power kit to go alongside the front and rear camera, and I'm going to be using a 128GB micro SD card. In the box you get a little envelope which contains some electrostatic pads which are used when attaching the camera to the windscreen, and a user guide. Underneath that you have the camera itself, which I'll come back to in a bit. In the bottom of the box there's a micro USB cable. It's not USB-C, which is a bit annoying, but it's not a huge issue. The windscreen attachment and a spare sticky pad for the windscreen attachment. A 12-volt car plug giving you 2 USB ports. There is also a plastic tool, which I guess is for applying the pads to the windscreen. Maybe there's more information in the user guide. The rear camera comes in its own box. Inside we have 2 bags. This one has the user guide and some more electrostatic stickers in it. This one has the camera in it. The cable on the rear camera is about 6 meters long. Finally, we have the bag which has the car power adapter, which is the one which lets you connect the camera directly to the battery of your car. Inside is the adapter and an instruction guide which is in Chinese. I'll be using Google Translate and hoping it's pretty straightforward. So, back to the camera. It has a screen protector on it by default, which shows you the locations of all the different buttons. The camera module can be rotated to give you the best view once it's mounted. The power button on the side is quite sensitive. I turned it on by mistake a few times whilst preparing this video, but I think turning it on easily is a good thing, as it means you won't be fiddling around trying to get it going when you get in the car. Turning it on starts you through a nice little setup process. You enter your time zone, date and time, which I hope can be set from the GPS later on, and some options for parking surveillance. After that, you're prompted to insert an SD card if you've not already. The camera records the front view in 4K and the rear view is 1080. There's built-in Wi-Fi for connecting to the app, and it also has GPS, which was a big selling point for me. I am going to do a follow-up installing it on my car and probably some example footage at a later date, so subscribe to keep an eye out for that, or take a look up in the top corner now for a suggestion card in the event that it's already out.